Have you ever launched a Shopify store, ready to finally test your new products, only to see results like this? Well, trust me, you're not the only one. I had the exact same problem. I spent money on ads, got traffic to my store, but barely any sales, and it was frustrating. But after tweaking just a few things, my conversion rate went from this to this. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the perfect Shopify store from A to Z that actually gets you sales. And be sure to stay till the end to find out the one crucial mistake that most beginners make so that you can fix it and instantly boost your sales. And with all that out of the way, let's jump straight into Shopify. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head into Shopify, and if you haven't already created a store, then you can use the link in the description to get 3 months of Shopify for only $1, and it should take you to this page, and you just simply enter your email address, then you click start free trial, and if you go through all of that, then you should be taken to this page, and then you're going to want to click online store and themes, and once you're in the themes page, then you're simply going to want to download the free theme that I left in the description. And I would recommend to do that because I personally use this theme and it has doubled if not tripled my conversions, so be sure to download it from the description. And if you want to upload it, you're going to click upload zip file, add file, find the theme that you downloaded, open it, upload file, and then you're just going to simply wait until it pops up, and you can click customize to enter the store. And right now we are at the homepage of our store, and as you guys probably know, most people are likely not going to be on this page, but nonetheless we should make it look minimalistic but also trustworthy, so that when someone comes we automatically build trust, such as adding a verified buyer, a satisfaction guarantee, product benefits, why people love the brand, and all that stuff. And later I'm going to customize everything and I'm going to walk you guys through, but for now let's enter the most important page, which you guessed it is the products page. And this is the products page. It looks pretty simple as of now, but we've got these little notes to make people want to buy faster. We've got fast shipping, secure shipping, things that build trust, guarantees, shipping information, which is the questions that the customer will likely ask and wants the answer to when they enter your store. The verified buyer's badge, benefits, as seen on, you can add Fox TV, other credible sources that will also help build the trust with the customer and make them feel safe and not like they're entering some kind of scam on your website. Then just write some things about the brand, customer support, guarantees, customers, add more benefits or objections of the products that you're selling. 30-day satisfaction, frequently asked questions. You can use ChatGPT to help make up questions and answers to them. Then here you're going to want to add your reviews. I would recommend just going with Luke's, but I'll walk you guys through this a bit later on in the video. And if you also want to do email marketing, then you're going to want to use this banner. If not, you're just going to simply turn it off. And yeah, here's the footer. And with that said, this is the products that we're going to be creating our store for. And with that said, now we're going to want to create our logo and pick the accent colors for our store, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this right now. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to Canva, and when you're here you're going to want to click customize size and put the width as 800 and height as 150, and you're going to click create new design, and here you're going to create the logo for your store. First thing that we're going to want to do is click on text, add text box, and enter the name of your brand. For me it's going to be Rosella, and then we're going to want to make it bigger like this, and then we're going to want to change the background color and pick a color that you like. I'm going to pick this pink, and change the font, maybe something like this. And you're going to also want to add some kind of element. I found this rose or flower type thing, and I'm going to add it behind the R. And I'll just customize the logo for my liking, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so this is the logo that I came up with. I decided to go with a more girly look for the store, and the accent color I decided to go with was the color of these flowers. and it's this one. And you also want to go with no more than 3 colors for your store, and they usually should be white, black and an accent color. And the accent color for me is going to be this pinkish type color, and I'm just gonna put it right behind the R to make it look good. And remember to keep it simple, professional and minimalist. You don't need to overthink this very much. It should take no longer than 15 minutes to create the logo. And that's pretty much it for Canva. Now we're just simply gonna download the logo and paste it in on our store. Alright, so now we're back in our store, and to put our logo in, we're gonna want to click theme settings, logo, select our logo, and after putting it in, it should look like this, be visible here. And we're going to also want to put it in the middle center of our screen. And after that, we're going to also want to head to colors and schemes to add the accent color, the pink color that I picked, to make the site pop off more. Alright, so with all that out of the way, now I'll just fully customize the store, and then I'll walk you guys through all the changes I made so you can do the exact same for your store. Alright guys, so I just finished creating the entire website, so let me take you through all the things that I did so you can do exactly the same thing for your store. So let's start off with the announcement bar, and I put in 40% off sale ends today, just to build urgency for the customer. When someone enters your store and sees that the sale will end today, tomorrow, then they will be more urgent to buy your product. And then we added our logo so it looks nice and professional. And now moving on to the product's information, first thing that you're going to want to do is add some kind of GIF of people using your product, so that when someone enters the store, they already see how the product is used, and the more people they see using the product, the more likely they're going to want to buy it. And regarding the images, you're going to want to use professional, high quality images, but this type, like showing the product and then customers using the product. And usually I wouldn't recommend to go with more than 5-6 images, because if you put 16 images on your website, then it's going to look a bit fishy, and people won't want to buy from your store then. So just keep it clean and simple. Add 5-6 photos, because most people won't even scroll through to the second one or third one, so keep that in mind. And then we're going to want to move on to the most important part, where people are going to want to buy your products from. And here we're going to import our reviews. Personally, I use Luke's reviews, and I would also recommend you guys to use them, because you can add text like this and it makes your site look more professional. When they see that it's based on 2,400 reviews, you can add whatever you want. You can even add 10,400, however you like, but just keep it simple over here. Add 2,000, 1,000, so that the customer just believes. Then you're going to want to add a little description of the main benefits of the product. I decided to go with like clear skin in seconds. It keeps the skin hydrated, and it has an anti-aging effect, because the product I'm going to target to women over 30, and these little benefits will definitely catch their eye. And then you're going to want to add a bundle. Bundles are like the most important thing of the store. They increase your conversion rate dramatically, so be sure to use bundles. I decided to go with Kaching bundles. This is the bundle app that I always go through, because you can make it look nice and clean, and you can also add free skincare routine PDF. I'm not going to walk you guys through this in today's video. If you would want to see a video going through all the apps that you should have on your store, then leave a comment in the description, and I'll definitely try to make a video on that if enough people want to see it. So you can add bundles. Over here, double, half the price, most popular, routine. Then you kind of have the add to cart and buy now buttons, and also a note like only 7 units left in stock, to again build urgency for the customer. And then we're gonna want to build trust with the customer, which is fast shipping, secure checkout, 30-day returns, and the specification of the product, for example, that what the package includes and all that gaff. Then our guarantee, shipping information, just simple information that the customer will need about the store. Then we're gonna add a verified buyer, so that someone can see a testimonial from a customer that bought the product. You can also add this type of image, Fox, USA Today, NBC, to make the brand look more legitimate. And here you have the I forgot to add a comma. here you have the review of the customer, 5 stars, Emma, and then we can move on to the benefits of the product. Remember to use like short headings and then add text describing all the headings, and then you can make the most important parts bold, so the customer sees the most important things and benefits of using your product, like I did right here, that achieves smoother, more radiant skin, and it works together to rejuvenate your neck area, leaving youthful and glowing skin. Just add simple. You can use ChatGPT to help you with this. I personally use ChatGPT, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. And then we're going to add another brand awareness section in which we say why people love our brand based on how many reviews you've got. Customer support, mention the 30-day guarantee, how much customers. Oh, I don't know what this is, a bit wrong, delete this. Yes, beautiful. And yeah, remember to build trust all the way through when someone enters your website from the beginning to the end, to make it look as professional as possible. Then we add another benefit, or you handle the objection, and then we can move to a comparison table. I would recommend everyone to use a comparison table on your store, because it also boosts your conversion rate. And for this one, I'll pop it up on the screen right now, and it costs like $5 per month, and you can make clean looking comparison tables which shows the advantage of your product and how it's better than other competitors also running similar or the same product. And then moving on, we have the third and last section of the benefits of our product. Then we add a FAQ section, like, is Rosella safe to use? How do I use it? Is it waterproof? How can I get in contact? How fast is the shipping? You're gonna want to add all the information over here. And remember, don't miss this step. You're gonna want to add customer reviews so that it builds trust with the customer and what our customers say. You have Luke's reviews. Probably for me, I would say this is the best app for adding the reviews to your store. You're going to add some reviews from AliExpress or other pages, or you can even make your own with a CSV file, upload it, and have your own made reviews of the product. And yeah, we're going to scroll down. And then if you do email marketing, then you can make a want to save more, sign up to our email to achieve exclusive offers, discounts, free products. And in the bottom, need some assistance, the terms of privacy, shipping policy, all the policies to your store. And that is pretty much it for the store. And remember, the most important thing that most beginners sometimes forget is optimize your website for mobile, simply by clicking over here, and just make sure that it looks good on the phone, because that's where most of the customers are going to be coming from. And that's pretty much it for the website overview. And you also need to remember to add SEO apps to make your site run faster, especially when people enter on mobile. They don't want to spend 10 minutes loading into your website. They want to enter, look through fast, purchase the product, and just to make it very simple for them to purchase. So keep that in mind, because it's also a step that a lot of beginners forget. And I'll pop up some apps on the screen that I would personally recommend to download on your store to make the speeds faster on your website. And with that said, remember, if you haven't already created your store, use the link in the description to get 3 months of Shopify for $1. And also the free downloadable link for the theme is also in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. So if you follow all these steps correctly, your Shopify store will definitely be optimized for more sales and conversions. But here's the truth. Having the perfect website means nothing if you pick the wrong product. And that's why your next step is to watch this video on how to find winning products, because product selection is the most important part of making money with Shopify. So click here to watch it now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.